Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Now for today's recipe, we have red braised pork belly, and the secret ingredient is rock sugar. Today we're making red braised pork belly using a clay pot. So we have 3 tablespoons of sliced ginger, 6 cloves of garlic, 3 to 4 bay leaves, 1 dried Chinese mandarin orange peel, and 1 stick of cinnamon. Pork belly, essentially it's bacon. This is pork belly. Sometimes you can buy it with the skin. Essentially it's bacon. So just cut the pork belly into pieces roughly 2 inch by 1 inch. So we're ready for the next step. So I've got the wok going at medium heat. So just put about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. I've got peanut oil. So I'm going to put the ginger and the garlic in first. So we got the heat at medium. You can put it anywhere from medium to high. So we have roughly 1.5 pounds of pork belly here. So next I'm going to put a cup of water in there. So now I'm going to put the cinnamon stick, the dried Chinese mandarin orange peel, and the bay leaves into the water there. And we're just going to let this simmer for about 15 minutes. I'm going to put a teaspoon of salt in there. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of rock sugar. This is cane sugar. We call it rock sugar. So put 3 heaping tablespoons of Chinese rock sugar. You can also use the cane sugar slab, or if you like, you can use brown sugar too if you like. But rock sugar is really good to put a nice coating on the pork. Some light soy sauce. So put about 3 tablespoons in there. So now I'm going to put some dark soy sauce. So this is mushroom soy. So this will color the pork, so you don't need to put too much. This is really a dark soy sauce that will give a good color. So just put about 1 tablespoon in there. And I'm going to put about a tablespoon of sesame oil. So I like this brand, Yeo. Dried Chinese orange peel. It gives a real good flavor. Has a distinctive flavor. The bay leaves will actually bind all the flavors together. So there's also the ginger and the garlic, and the cinnamon stick brings out nice flavor as well. We're going to transfer it into a clay pot now. This clay pot is 10.5 inches. I don't know the exact volume. So make sure you don't transfer the clay pot onto a heating element when it's empty. So the liquid has been mostly reduced. So you want some liquid in there. So like I said, this is a fairly big clay pot. If you have a smaller one, it's probably better. So this just lines the bottom here. When you use a clay pot on the electric coil stove, you need to put this metal piece on there so it doesn't crack the clay pot. Now you just put the clay pot onto the metal piece. Cover and simmer on low heat for 20 to 30 minutes. This clay pot is really good at conducting heat. So this is a special treat. You get a little bit of saltiness with the sweet of the rock sugar. Ooh, I'm gonna try this. Ho You have the light soy sauce, the dark soy sauce, and we stir fried it in ginger and garlic. So there you have it, my version of special red braised pork belly. Enjoy. Thanks for checking out my video. Please give me a thumbs up. Any questions and comments are always welcome. And also like to thank my viewers for helping me win the top 20 best Chinese food blogs in the world. And I was also awarded the top 40 best China YouTube channels in the world. And please subscribe by pushing the button over here.